As a carrier, you have the possibility of storing rate cards with Saloodo. The use of rate cards on the digital freight platform is the most efficient way to acquire transport orders, without having to spend time searching for them yourself. At the same time, you reduce the manual workload and also, you establish your presence on Saloodo by submitting more offers. The principle of rate cards is very simple and applies to FTL, PTL, or LTL transports. We store your transport preferences, such as relations, weight, parking space, or loading meter clusters. You set your own prices and determine the transport criteria for which your price is displayed. Saloodo then finds suitable transport requests based on the criteria you set, and automatically submits your offer for the transport request, of course exclusively with the price you set individually. When the offer is booked by the shipper, Saloodo informs you automatically about the upcoming transport. You can always change the prices or criteria of your rate cards, deactivate or even delete them at any time. In your personal dashboard, you will find an overview of your currently stored rate cards. If you have not yet stored any rate cards with Saloodo, contact us or email us at cooperations@saloodo.com. There are no hidden costs, and you don't have to pay anything for storing and using rate cards.